The new 2018 Toyota Yaris. The 2018 Toyota Yaris is an inexpensive 3- or 5-door subcompact that produces many compelling disputes in comparison to its primary competition, including the Honda Fit or Nissan Versa. Not only is it among the most stylish subcompacts available on the market, it also boasts a very low cost of title, strong resale value, couple of years of complimentary maintenance, good overall practicality, and an entire suite of safety technology that none of their rivals offer. As affordable subcompacts go, it's a little bit of a no-brainer. The 2018 Toyota Yaris is available in 3 limits, L, and Z. All trims can be obtained as 3-door and 5-door models except for the SONY ERICSSON, which is available in 5-door form only. The 2018 Toyota Yaris is an affordable car that still manages to be sporty in its reality and attractive in their simplicity. For 2018, Toyota has redesigned the Yaris and we're proud to bring it here. Keep on reading to find out about the car that gives you a lot more for your money, then, head on arranged for a test drive. 2018 Toyota Yaris, reduced levels. The Yaris is all about giving new options. Not only will it come in 3 trim levels, but is actually also available in 2 different body styles, 3-door and 5-door. The M trim comes with features just like a bold front structure, 15 inches styled steel tires, in-tune trademark audio, and bundled backup camera display with projected path, and more. Upgrading to the Votter will get you features like 15 inches machined combination wheels, a remote keyless entry system, and more. With the top-of-the-line Z, which only comes as a 5-door hatch, likely to find integrated fog signals, LED daytime running lighting, a rear spoiler, distinctive dark accented 15 inches machine blend wheels, in-tune trademark audio additionally, and more. 2018 Toyota Yaris, tech and protection. The Yaris may be famous for its affordable, but it certainly has not cut any corners, especially for your safety. Every Yaris is sold with both Toyota Security Sense C, which includes pre-collision system, lane starting alert, and automatic excessive beams, and the Superstar safety system, which combines vehicle stability control, extender control, anti-lock brake program, electronic brake force distribution, braking system assist, and smart quit technology. Include features like 9 airbags, whiplash injury lessening car seats, and more, and you should feel protected whenever you take those wheel of your new Yaris. 2018 Toyota Yaris, functionality. In conditions of performance, you can count on the Yaris to get you where you require efficiently. The 1.5-liter 4-cylinder DOC engine can get up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, so your tank of gas will last you longer. You can also choose between 5-speed manual transmission and 4-speed electronically handled programmed transmission with intelligence, ECTI. To go farther for less, choose the 2018 Yaris.